What's in the box? What's in the box?
We'll now break the review into two parts. Part 1, Green Lantern Hal Jordan. Part 2, Batman of Earth -32, The Dawnbreaker. To watch Part 2, see the link in the description area. Now on to Part 1, included with Green Lantern Hal Jordan is his action figure, standard circular base with the DC logo, light projection backpack, light projection boxing glove, collectible art card with figure photography on the front, character biography on the back, and it reads,
Real name, Hal Jordan. Hal Jordan's life was changed